Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a mini keyboard by the company MageGee. This keyboard is where innovation meets compact design. If you are looking for a well-designed mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank, this may be for you. Designed for both gaming and office use, this keyboard boasts a sleek and compact 60% layout, perfect for on-the-go warriors and workspace minimalists. This keyboard was of interest in the review process because of the competitive price point of $30, and there is potential to get an additional 10% off on Amazon. If this keyboard performs as expected, this can be a great option for the general computer user as well as a gaming enthusiast that are space savings conscious or intend to travel with the keyboard. Also, there are red switches which are popular not only among gamers but among typists as well for the quick linear actuation and fast key reset. It is a quieter switch given it lacks the tactile bump and audible click. This product will be linked below. This is a 60% mechanical keyboard with backlit modes as well as backlit speed and brightness adjustments. This keyboard uses red switches and has a detachable USB Type-C wire. In our testing, our goal was to see how well made the keyboard was. We have seen some concerns regarding the longevity of the keyboard. Some consumers who have purchased this keyboard have experienced issues with extra keystrokes occurring after 6 months of regular use. It might be worth it to pay a little more to a more reputable company than to have a product that doesn't work properly after 6 months regardless of the price. Now let's get into the review. We give the design 4 stars. The design of this compact keyboard is very elegant at such a low price point. The design of the MageGee portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard is a testament to both form and function. With its compact layout, the keyboard strikes an ideal balance between practicality and aesthetics. The minimized size not only saves valuable desk space but also contributes to a clean and modern appearance that suits various setups, from gaming stations to professional workspaces. Furthermore, the integration of LED backlit keys not only adds a dynamic visual element but also serves a functional purpose, making it easier to type or game in dimly lit surroundings. This attention to detail in design, combined with the keyboard's compactness, makes it a versatile and stylish accessory that can seamlessly blend into various setups while offering an optimal typing and gaming experience. The keyboard's sleek and streamlined profile is enhanced by its choice of colors available. The color option we went with came with yellow keys to switch out, but we kept the white and gray layout to match our desk layout. We give utility 4 stars. The absence of a numeric keypad and function keys is compensated for by the keyboard's portability and the convenience of having essential keys within closer reach. This layout encourages a streamlined workflow, reducing finger movement and minimizing strain during extended typing or gaming sessions. The red switches offer a tactile experience that's perfect for both typing and gaming. They provide responsive feedback that enhances accuracy and ensures every keystroke is registered with precision. This can be a game changer for competitive gamers or anyone who values quick and accurate input. In terms of compatibility, this keyboard is great. It works on Windows and Mac, as well as some portable gaming platforms like Steam Deck. We give the value 4 stars. At its price point of $30, the MageGee portable mechanical gaming keyboard offers commendable value. With its compact design, tactile red switches, and LED backlit keys, it provides an efficient and engaging typing and gaming experience. The keyboard's ability to save space, enhance productivity, and cater to different platforms makes it a versatile and budget-friendly choice for those seeking a reliable accessory to elevate their setup. We're excited to announce our upcoming giveaways. One giveaway for 500 subscribers, and if we get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, we will be giving away an iPhone 15. Stay up to date on our channel so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching this video. What would you use this keyboard for? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay up to date on our latest videos and upcoming giveaways. Don't forget to let us know what you would like us to review in the future.